Here's a new 2018 Cadillac CT6 sedan. A revolution in power, refinement, agility, and innovation for an unmatched driving experience. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Power heated mirrors. Hands-free liftgate. Automatic transmission. Magnetic fluid-filled shocks. External memory control. Power reclining heated ventilated rear seats. Magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks. Automated parking sensors. And multi-zone climate control. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.